All right, here we go. So we're going to run something that's going to check our work today. Okay. So from my website, go ahead, click on Equation Balancer and also Stoich Check. Okay. It's going to take you to two different sites. So first one, Control Shift F. Shift Alt F. There we go. All right, so this is going to bring you to here. We're going to check our first equation. Okay, so first one I had you guys do was number 4. Okay, and it says the amount of zinc sulfide precipitated in the reaction between 30 grams of zinc chloride and extra hydrogen sulfide gas. The two things that they last mentioned are what we're starting with: zinc chloride plus hydrogen sulfide gas. We got to type those in. So on here, you can just click on zinc and then also chlorine. Chlorine gas. But it does not balance it for you. So you gotta look at the charges. Zinc has a charge of +1. Chlorine has a charge of, zinc has a charge of +2. Chlorine has a charge of -1. So we need a 2 there. Next thing, put a space, add a plus sign, shift plus, another space. Then we need hydrogen sulfide gas, HS. Okay? Once again, not balanced. Sulfur has a charge of +2, hydrogen 1, so we need H2S. Give a space. This button here is your equal. And then you need another space. Oh, not that. Need another space. And now we need to make our products. It says that one of our products is zinc sulfide. So I'm going to just type it in, zinc sulfide. Okay? And we need a 2 here. Actually, we don't. Zinc sulfide, +2, -2. That's zinc sulfide. Space, plus. The other thing that we are making is hydrochloric acid, HCl. Okay? So this is our equation. We're now going to balance it. And down here, it gives you the balance equation. For every 1 zinc chloride and every one hydrogen sulfide gas, we make 1 zinc sulfide and 2 hydrochloric acids. So we're now going to copy our equation, which is Control-C, or copy. And we're going to go to our Stoich calculator. Okay? In our Stoich calculator, paste this in. There's our balanced equation. And we know that we have 30 grams of zinc chloride, ZnCl2. So we want to know how much hydrogen sulfide gas it's making. This is just to check our work. So we're going to go to grams, and we're going to go to calculate value. And there we go. Sorry. Copied this in here. Let's do that again. Clear all values. So paste your equation to here. Let me say that again because I don't think it was watching my screen. Okay, there's our equation. We know we're starting with 30 grams of zinc chloride. Okay, over here, I want to know how many grams it's going to make up everything else. I'm now going to hit calculate values. And this is just to check your work. Okay, so on here, we now can see for what it's asking for zinc sulfide. We know we're making 21.45. And like I said, if we round to 3 sig figs, that should be 21.5. That should be your answer for this. Now, the other thing we're going to do with this is we're going to check how many molecules we're making. So I'm going to hit clear inputs. I'm going to type my zinc chloride back in. I know I have 30 grams. But now I want to know how many, you can do moles, liters, or molecules. We want to know how many molecules we're making. Okay? So now we hit calculate values again. And right away, this kind of makes sense. If we have 30 grams, we're going to make the same amount of each of these. So, because we have a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio. Okay? And except my equation's not right. So that is incorrect. I don't have this balance. I need a big 2 here. Okay? So we got to go back and check this again. Reason why It's because I was missing that too. If your equation is wrong, it ain't going to do the right work down here. So let's clear all our values. Let's go back to grams. 30.0. Oh, where'd my equation go? Plug that back in. There we go. Zinc chloride. Calculate. Yep, that's still the same because it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay. Now let's look at molecules. Keeps deleting my equation. Plug that back in. I guess we want to hit clear inputs, not clear all values. That'll make your life a little bit easier. Make sure your N and your L are lowercase, otherwise it will not do it correctly. We want to know how many molecules we're making from 30 grams of zinc chloride. Calculate values. This looks better. For every 1, 1, 1, 2, for number of molecules, we have 1.33 times 10 to the 23rd. Hydrochloric acid, we have twice as much of that, 2.65 times 10 to the 23rd. Now remember, 1 mole of anything is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So this is about 1/6 of a mole. This is almost half of a mole, but not quite. Okay? So what you're going to do is go through all your 5 equations, plug them in. We're going to add these, our 2 products, how many molecules we're making, onto our answer sheet. Okay? So you're checking your number of grams, and then go through again, change it to molecules, and we're going to add that onto our answer sheet. Okay? Have fun.